This is a tutorial on creating a 180-degree pop-up card. The template is a generic form which can be modified to create different shaped platforms, as shown in the example of the I Love You card. The template file includes a cutting file, but also a PDF version with labels to help when following this tutorial. There are two pieces to the template. The first on the bottom is a card wrapper, which serves as a base for the pop-up. The second is a pop-up platform mechanism, forming the inside panel. You can make a derivative of this template to accommodate the shape of the floating platform. The formula C plus A is greater than or equal to F is used in this case to make sure the mechanism and the platform fit inside the card. The template is for a 5x7 card. The card wrapper is 1/8 inch wider than what is needed for a 5x7 card. This is to accommodate all the pop-up layers. The easiest way to score this piece is to measure in from both ends and score on the 5-inch line. Score lines are provided in the cutting file as red or green dash lines. They can be scored or cut at lower settings or pressures. Make sure to give the fold line a crisp crease. You can now see the small binding. Now let's work on folding the mechanism for the pop-up card. Notice on the template there are 4 score lines. Red score lines are valley folds, blue score lines are mountain folds. Once these are folded, the platform is bent over and attached to the larger piece, valley, 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 and then mountain. The score line on the card wrapper is now used to line up the folded pieces. This will give a nice 1/8 inch border. Fold the second piece and line the 2 up on the card wrapper score line. The mechanism should match perfectly, but with a 1/8 inch gap. I use double-sided adhesive tape to attach the platform pieces to the card wrapper. You only need to put the tape on the fold edge and the top edge. The center piece is attached to each other with 1/8 inch tape. It is only attached at the top edge at the first fold, which then forms a small V. Match the fold lines to the two pieces by holding them up and working down. Lay each side down. Now forms the V pillar in the middle. Now form the platform on each side. Fold the end tab in. These are not fold down flat to one side, since there is a gap. Attach adhesive tape on both tabs. Keep them in place and fold the card shut. Now look and compare the template to the I Love You card. Notice the same base structure, except the platform is higher to accommodate the sentiment. The center leg has been made into two legs to provide an opening hole for the heart. Also notice the outside legs are shaped with leaves. The card has been embellished with leaves and flowers, and the base wrapper has cut out silhouettes of roses. Thank you for watching this video.